You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, T to the M to the IDD? You are tuned in to the second part of this photo shoot that I did in Houston. This here is the off-camera flash one light setup. If you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. But what we're going to transition to is the second part of the shoot, where we had the sun just rising, getting that beautiful natural light, natty with a baddie. You know how it's going down. Let's go.
I want you to just walk straight for me. Yeah. Go. And stop right there. And pose, strike a pose. I like that. Yes. Yeah, and what I want you to do is give me like a twirl with it. Yep. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh! I'll try to tell you. Alright. Yeah. One, two. Perfect. Let me take my saddles off. Alright. And I'm actually, alright, we got that right there. Perfect. In it. Perfect. I'm over there with Roxy. Got right here. let's get you over here. Yeah. Be careful. Be careful. So how you feeling? Good. All right, I don't want you to fall over the rope, okay? I don't have no insurance. All right, so you can dip in the water. Can you stand on it? Can you sit on your knees, like right there? Decent, it's okay. Okay. Yep. All right, come like you coming towards me. Yep. Oh, that's fine right there. Yep. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right. All right.
The waves.
Like, all right, let me get some of you like that. Just sitting up. Perfect. Come back. Yep, just like that. Different angle. How was that?
That was a risk.
A risk.
Because I almost drowned a couple times.
Wow.
But it was worth it. The pictures are gonna be super cute. Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be worth it, y'all.
Until the next outfit.
Yeah, we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Couple minutes.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.